What up, Tube? We are at Go Wheels Up car show in San Marcos Municipal Airport with an air show. There's airplanes that way. The hand's wrapped up, just had surgery, so I may not be videotaping too much today. I might hand it off to Jackson to let him film the cars because it's a little hot today. But Porsche's here and a bunch of other cars are here. All kinds of different things, so we'll go around and see what we see. Beautiful vintage Rolls Royce. What year is this, sir? 1925. 1925 Rolls. He drove it here because I saw him, and it's got a registration on the window. Look at that beauty. Old technology. Little storage bins on the bottom. Very, very cool. 1925.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Beautiful Bronco. Classic Bronco with a 5.0 Coyote under the hood. This looks like something that may have come from BC Broncos. Beautiful, beautiful job. I love the color. There's going to be a good variety of vehicles today. We're going to see some air show today. It's going to be nice. Beautiful Lamborghini. Loving the color. This is a super cool AZ1 classic JDM. Scissor doors, anime wrap that actually looks very, very clean, very well done. Totally digging it. So there's gonna be a variety here. This is a cool hot rod we saw at Lone Star Roundup last April, made by Hammer Fab here in Texas. Still in the works. This is a 4-wheel slingshot, custom made with an LS motor in the front. So it's an LS3 in the front, 4-wheel conversion. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. It's a 2015 slingshot that they modified. Very nice. Well done. This is an awesome Mini Cooper. It's the Mini Traveler. It's got the matching wagon, surfboard on the top, and a matching guitar. Check that out. This is awesome.
I'll take it
cool
off your books.
C7 Corvette. Look at that paintwork on the valve cover, engine cover. Very cool. Let's check under the hood. By under the hood, I mean the back of the hood. That's awesome. Beautiful paintwork. Cool lifted older Jeep. This thing's nice. And what's right next to this? Oh my gosh. A Mk2 Supra in this area of Texas is actually rare. And this one is super clean. This is very, very nice Mark II. Check out how clean the stock wheels are. 5M under the hood, very clean, just stock, but beautiful. Beautiful Shelby Cobra replica. The engine bay is awesome. ITBs. Remote reservoirs for the brakes. Cab is beautiful, very nicely sorted. Wheels look great. Nice car. Really nice 52 Chevy pickup. Looks like it's got a carbureted small block under the hood. Well done. Right behind it, 57 Chevy in yellow. Nice big custom wheels, custom bare brakes. The interior is beautifully done. Very nice interior. Nice variety today. Beautiful C8 Corvette in white. I love these in white. The C8R right next to it. I've seen this at a couple of cars and coffees before. Gray on yellow. Beautiful combination. With the yellow calipers. I know. We saw this driving in to set up. Beautiful Cadillac. Really low. Super nice. Digging the wheels. That's how you know you got a big car where you can take a nap in it. It's a cool C8 Corvette with Lambo doors. Very cool. Pretty sweet black McLaren. Can't go wrong with a McLaren. Always look good. Pretty awesome Roadmaster 4-door. Very nice car. And this 56 Chevy sitting right next to it is beautiful. Awesome color. Check the interior. Very shiny under the hood.
You say that, I had 3 guys that left here said the same thing.
Right?
I said, man, I can see this at all the car shows. It don't get old.
It doesn't. It's a beautiful 55 Chevy LS powered. Wilwood master cylinder, Wilwood brakes. This was built by Pop's Garage in Marion, Texas. Medina, Texas. Sorry, Medina. I'm talking about Marion. I should know. I know these guys. Let's go inside. Interior beautiful. We've seen this car a few times. It never gets old. It is a beautiful, beautiful car. Very well done. Sitting on an Art Morrison frame. You hear that door, how that closed? That's the way a proper car should sound when you finish building it. Beautiful, beautiful done. Yes, there's a 2JZ at the party here. Actually, sorry, 1JZ. VVTI 1JZ. It's a Tour 5. This is a JZX 100 Chaser. Something you don't see often here in this area, especially not at a car show like this. So this is a treat for me anyways. I love these cars. Beautiful JDM right-hand drive. Sitting nice. Love the wheels. Very, 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 very nice car. That old HKS sticker on it. Let's give some credit to the sign. Very beautiful car. It's cool. Y'all know I like JDM. Oh, here comes Tokyo. Go, go, Godzilla. Very cool tribute car to our police officers, law enforcement, C6 Corvette. Very nice. Beautiful. Super cool 355 Challenge Ferrari. I heard it drive in earlier. Should have came by while it was running, because she ain't quiet. But these are beautiful. Sorry about the music, the band's playing. The inside of that. B-25 bomber, World War II, the yellow rose, beautifully done. This is part of the Central Texas Wing Corps, which has all the vintage airplanes. Very, very nice. These nice gentlemen allowed me to come in here so we can tape around this. If you like World War II planes, which I do, this is a treat. This one actually flies. I'm not sure if they're going to fly it today, but I know it does fly. And I know there's an air show here in this area of Texas coming up in September where you can actually rent a seat in this, as well as a B-29 and a P-51 Mustang. It's not cheap, but you can fly in one. How much of a treat would that be? So the Commemorative Air Force, Central Texas Commemorative Air Force, B-25, fully restored, very nice. See the bomb doors here. There's a little bomb guy there. Very, very cool. Now the one place I can't go is over there inside the gates. If you see right there, and we'll get as close as we can, there's an 810 Warthog there, and they will be flying that today. A10. It's gonna fly today, and hopefully get some footage of it. We got a little trainer plane there. Let's get over the fence. Not allowed in here. This is off limits to the public. But this is where they're prepping the planes that will be flying today at the air show later this afternoon. So we got the gray and we got the green one. There we go. Through the fence. If you don't know about the A10, look it up. It's one bad airplane. Just a tidbit on the gun in the center there. You see the gun is centered and that front wheel is off center because the gun must be in the center of the airplane because it's so powerful. It's a Vulcan cannon. It's so strong that it actually slows the airplane down. So if they offset it to left or right, it would turn the airplane a little bit. So when they finally finalized the build on these, they made sure that it was dead center. This is going to be a treat to see go up in the air. And if you can hear it, it's that trainer airplane over there that's still running. They're idling it out. And here's a camouflaged version of the A10. So car show today, air show today. Good. This is a fire truck shaped fighter jet. It's a rocket truck. Am I right?
Yeah.
Jet truck.
Two Rolls-Royce.
Two Rolls-Royce jet engines in the back of a vintage looking, yeah, two Rolls-Royce jet engines. It's called Aftershock. It is a vintage fire truck. It is fast. It will be on the runway later, so hopefully we can get some footage of this thing firing up and taking off. Very cool. This thing gets to where it needs to go pretty quick once it gets moving, huh?
Exactly. It's a great company. They support a lot of our air show professionals. Now, Mike, because of his top-tier aerobatic environment, a lot of what he's going to do is really going to be precise moves that'll come up and do those tight snap rolls and snap turns on the way up, just like that.
Beach 18 coming across, another beautiful C8 airplane, based right here in San. He's going to pitch the nose up, and there is the inverted pass. As he rolls inverted, putting a lot of power in military aircraft. And that, my friend, is a beautiful inside loop. One more time, I would invite you to be with us and follow back around the car. He's pulling 6 or 7 positive G's as he does a 360-degree turn right at the deck as he's coming around. All right. 9-4. His name is Smart Tom. He did that heritage flight all the way. Very, very awesome. 10, Thunderbolt 2! Major force. Whoa! Everybody, a bad patient,
only took you around because my hand was feeling all right and I didn't need to really use it. I hope y'all enjoyed all that. It was a hell of a time. Really, really nice. Awesome air show. Awesome car show. Great variety. And we'll definitely be back next year. Go Wheels Up. That's the A10 Warthog right behind us that just flew by. But yeah, next year it's going to be a little bit of a different name, same place, same organization. There is a concert tonight we're not staying for. We've been here all day. It's late afternoon. I'm ready to get out of the sun. Have a great week. God bless.